Hello friends, welcome back to your online class. Today we are going to start a new chapter number 1, which is knowing our numbers. We all know mathematics is a language of numbers, and numbers play a very vital role in our daily life. So in this chapter we will be discussing few of the concepts which we had done earlier in our previous classes also, and some new concepts also. So our first topic is comparing numbers. Comparing number means comparison of two or more given numbers to find out which is greater number and which is smaller number. So if I give you two numbers, suppose 22 and 91. So you can easily tell me that 91 is the greater number and 22 is the smaller number. But when it comes to larger numbers, it becomes a little difficult. So we will discuss about large numbers today. Here I am taking two numbers. One is 3465 and second is 12345. Firstly, you tell me if we need to compare 99 and 100, which is the greater one and which is the smaller one? We all know 100 is the greater one and 99 is the smaller one. We can see 100 contains 3 digits and 99 has 2 digits. So from this we can say the number which is higher number of digits and the number which has less number of digits will be the smaller one, and number with higher number of digits will be the greater one. Similarly, in these two numbers, we are able to see that our first number is a 4-digit number and our second number is a 5-digit number. So this way we can say number which is 5-digit number will be the greater one, and number which is 4-digit number is a smaller one. So whenever we need to compare two large numbers, what we do? We check their number of digits. The number which is of higher number of digits will be greater, and number with smaller number of digits will be smaller. Next, if number of digits are same in both the given numbers, then what we will do? So for that I am taking 15,483 and 22,644. These both the numbers are 5-digit numbers. So by this we cannot say which is the greater number and which is the smaller number. Now what we will do? We will check the leftmost digit of both the numbers. So leftmost digit of this number is 1 and leftmost digit of this number is 2. By comparing this 1 and 2, we can say 2 is greater and 1 is smaller. So we can decide only by these two digits that 22,644 is the greater number and this 15,483 3483 is the smaller number. In the same way, if both the digits were same, then what we will do? Let's see. If both the numbers are like this, so both are 5-digit numbers. By our first step, we cannot tell which is greater and which is smaller. So in the second step, what we do? We check the leftmost digit. But in these numbers, our leftmost digit is also same. So what we will do now? We will go for the digit next to the leftmost one. In this, we will check this digit 5 and this digit 4. So by comparing 5 and 4, we can tell 5 is greater and 4 is smaller. By this number becomes greater and this number becomes smaller. So these are the steps to compare two or more large numbers. First step is to check number of digits in the given numbers. Step 1 is check number of digits. Number 2, if number of digits are same in the given numbers, we will check the leftmost digit of the numbers. Again, if the leftmost digits are same, then we will come to the next step. In this, we will check next digit to leftmost one. So the digit which is written after the leftmost digit will be compared in a third step if the leftmost digits are same. Again, if this digit is also same, then what we will do? We will check for the next digit. In this way, these steps will go on further until we find out which is the greater number and which is smaller number. So let's practice one or two numbers to compare. Let us take here. We will apply our first step. This is 4-digit number, this is 5-digit number, and this is 7-digit number. So it clearly says that this is greatest and this is smallest. Let's take another example. In this example, all the three numbers are 5-digit numbers. So we are not able to tell which is the greater one and which is the smaller one. So what we will do, we will check leftmost digit of all the three numbers. So leftmost digit of first number is 1, second number is 2, third number is 1. Again, the first number and the third number has same leftmost digit. So we cannot compare these two numbers by this digit. But the second number has leftmost digit is 2, which is higher than the 1. So this is the greatest number among these three numbers. Now come to these two numbers. We will find out which is greater and which is smaller. So 1 is not telling us which is greater, which is smaller. So we will check next digit to the leftmost one. So this is 2 and this is 3. This is how we come to know that this third number is greater and this first number is smallest. So among these three numbers, the second number is the greatest one, third number is the greater one, and the first number is the smallest one. I hope this is clear to all of you. Thank you.